Hi, so I'm just trying to show you where to get to the textbook. Let's see, this is our class. I'm going to go into student view so that it looks like your screen. You can click here to go to your textbook. When I click on that, it takes me to this page here, and this is a printable PDF of the textbook, but this is not what I want you to read right now because I can't tell if you've read if you're just reading a PDF, but here, this is our textbook. It has the link there. This is our textbook. This is the book that we're going to be using for this semester. And if I click on it, then, oh yeah, I forgot I have to like do this thing, which I think you've already done. You have to agree and log in. See what our book looks like. When you go there, hopefully you've already done that part. If you go to the course syllabus right here, then it will list all of the units and modules. This is module 4 under unit 2, and if I click on it, then it opens up, and these are all the different pages that you have to read for this weekend. You can also scroll through here using the arrows, and so this is the start of what I want you to read. And I hope that makes more sense. These are the activities that you do. As you do activities, it gets recorded. And so when you go through all of the pages, then there's a percentage at the end that will tell me how much you have done. And so if I jump to the end here, the wrap-up page, page 20, this is the end of module 4, and you'll see there is a percentage that tells you how much you've done, right? And so that's the part that I'm looking at to see if you have read. For the reading, I don't expect you to be perfect, so I'm looking for the score to be around 60%. I believe if you just read the pages and go through, you'll be really close to 60%, or maybe you'll be at 60%. And so that's what I want you to read. Okay, I hope that makes sense.